All right, well, good afternoon. It's J.M. Wood here with my beautiful daughter, Sarah. Say hello, Sarah.
Hello, Sarah.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, well, today's Sarah's 20th birthday, so thanks, babe, for hanging out with me on your birthday. We're going to check some bees today. We're going to do a couple of things. We're going to go in and make sure that that the feed is okay. I had some challenges with it last time, and bees getting in the water. But we're also going to get down in the brood box real quick and make sure that everything's in line for just making sure the queen is still laying really nicely. And we did some checkerboarding last time. It's getting cooler at night. We don't want to do that too much anymore, but we just want to check on her quickly and make sure she's doing well. All right, we're going to get it going. All right, let's go ahead and get in here nice and easy. You see them getting aggravated, just give them a little smoke. Yeah, I see them coming out of there a little bit more now, don't you? All right. Top is on. I'm popping it off real quick just to see where we stand with this. Oh, they're doing good. Okay, let's do this. I am going to try. So let's take this off. Not spill that water. In fact, I'm gonna try to set the top and everything right on here. This is gonna be a trick. Well, I might not be able to do that. I might just have to take this off. Gotta be a better way. All right, now bees are here. You can see all the bees are in the box. They were up there grabbing that fluid. Give a little bit right here on the top. There you go. Now give them some. There we go. Perfect. Look at all the bees under the bottom. They're sitting here just putting propolis, trying to put everything down. Not sure what that is. Propolis. All right, there you go. Give them just a little bit. All right, that's good. All right. So you see the bees are kind of all over the place right now. We're here in the afternoon. Early afternoon. Tell you what I'm actually going to do. I don't think the queen is up here in this top. What we're going to do is go check on the bottom. We're just going to pop this whole top. Don't want to do that. Oh. Now, leave the bottom right where it is. Give it a little smoke down there at the bottom. Give it a little smoke across there. There we go. I'm just going to set this on its side. Okay, all right, there we go. Now we're down in the bottom. Take this hive tool. Now last time, there you go. Last time, the queen was on this one in the middle, remember? And we moved this one. We checkerboarded this one to see if they would build out the comb. Let me just check, give it a little bit. There you go, across the top. There you go. Nice job, bud. All right, let me just pop this apart in the middle. Boy, you can really feel how they're sticking that in there. And let's be on the lookout. See if this little queen, what's queen's name?
Beekeeping.
Queen Beekeeping. How cool is that? All right, let's see how they're built. Now remember, we put this frame in here to see if they would build it out quickly. Look at that, how gorgeous. They are starting to build that out nicely all the way down. This was a frame that had foundation, but they bit it off. I don't see the queen right off. You see the queen on this form? Now they're getting it ready for her. They're really getting some.
Yeah, I see her.
You see the queen?
Yeah.
Let's see. Where do you see her?
Right, is that her in there?
Let's see if I see her.
Oh, look. There's bees on her.
Let's see if I see her. Right in the middle?
Yeah. Longer. Might be her. I know.
I can't see. I don't know that that's her right off. All right, so you see? I don't see her in there. Now look at the top though. It's full of nectar.
Yeah, that's her.
Where?
You see her right there? On the top. She's coming out.
Oh, that is her. Sarah, you found her right off the bat. Now she is right in here. Do that again. Point right at her.
She's going down there.
She's
now.
going down. There
out.
she is. She's going around the corner. But she's longer. She has that little. You're exactly right. Right on the top of her thorax, she has that little knot. That shows she's the queen. Awesome jobs. Boy, Sarah, you are. Look at that comb. They're building it out quickly. They got nectar all on the top of it. Let's put this one now. Isn't that incredible? She moved over to this frame. They got it ready so quick. Must be real easy here. Put this frame back down in here. I want to try to look and see. I want to check out the frame that's right next to that, simply because it needed some work too. Man, you can really tell they're using that 1-to-1 water ratio in a big way, and they are building comb. Give it a little bit of a. You can tell she's down here. She's doing great. Wow, look at this one. Look at this one. Okay, see, they're biting off the bottom of the foundation and dropping that to the bottom, and they're straightening out their own comb, which is really neat. Beautiful bees. Numbers are increasing like crazy, and they are filling it full of nectar. This frame is already heavy. You can see that capped honey. See the point of the capped honey over here. Yep, that's capped honey. The rest of it's nectar. Capped honey over here, and they are just they're down there in balls measuring where they need to go next, and calculating, and just look how pretty. See how many more bees there are now, Sarah, than 10 days ago? All right, I'm trying to be easy. Let's take a look at this one. Man, this one's building. Oh, look at this. Is all honey. Wow, look at this. I can feel this frame so much heavier. Give us a little smoke down here in the bottom. We don't want to block the entrance because they're still working away. Look at this. Uh-oh, got my hive tool. I should have brought it. Now look at this one. This one is another one where they are working away, filling out the top. Look at all that honey. They're capping the honey on top. Tons of nectar in the bottom. A lot of it probably may be some of that sugar water, but I think there's enough flow right now that they are, oh, look at there. See, they're starting to get some brood on this side with nectar all around it, and they're, so that's pretty right there. Very pretty. All right, let's do this. I want to take this one. I need you, Sarah. Actually, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I want to move this frame that has nothing in one, and we're going to put this one right here, and we'll force them. It was mostly resources, just a tiny bit of brood. I think that's perfectly fine. This one's all built out. Let me get my hive tool that I dropped, if I can locate it. That was a mistake. Let me see that hive tool you got in your hand. Perfect, that's it. All right, little bee, I saw you come in the corner. Let's see how this corner's doing. There you go. They're doing good. They're just looking around. How cool is this, babe? You found the queen again on your birthday. Now there is an old queen cell that has opened. I actually think it was the queen cell that this queen came from. It's open. You don't see any queen cells at the bottom. They are getting all these ready to put just resources in. Looks good. They're starting to put nectar all out here. You see it? But they're actually moving some resources around in this box. Pretty interesting. All right. How cool is that, babe? That was the one that, this is the one that had the, that was the one that had all the bees, that had the queen on it. Yeah. I'm going to pop this one out. Let's do this. Just want to make sure. Progressing nicely here. Boy, they're getting active right here at the entrance. Give us a little smoke on this other side. Near the entrance too. Just near the entry, babe. No, not the entry over there. I know. That's good. All right. They're like, oh my gosh, our hive is on fire. But they're really very calm. There we go. I got that one loose. Just took a minute. It just tells you how they are packing this one in. Look at this one. Oh, look here. Again, lots of, got brood all down through there. I see a couple of drones. You see this there? They got tons. They're biting off the bottom of the foundation again. And I got capped honey. Got brood, got bee bread. I see pollen all in here. Just gorgeous. How pretty is that? Look at all that pollen they stuffed in there in that nectar at top. See the colors? Yeah. How gorgeous. Now look at that one, the frame next to it. It is packed Man, the bee numbers are so impressive now from 10 days ago. Just incredible. Can you tell I'm happy about the bee numbers? Sarah?
Yeah.
I am happy about the bee numbers. I do want to check this end frame. I don't even have to get into every one, but we're already in here, so I thought, you know what? Let's look. Let's have a little look-see at what's going on here. All right, watch out, little bees. I don't want to get you. I don't want to get you. All right, see, this one is just, this is an empty one. That frame is coming apart. Actually, I'm going to leave this one. I might have to pull that one out there a different way. Get Mr. Tom on that one. All right, this one right here. Let's look at this one. This one frame. I'm going to break this one loose. Oh, yeah. Man, they are packed in here. They're doing good. I'm sure there's some others that have tons of bees and they're like, oh my gosh, that's really not all that packed. But it is looking good. Alright, let's grab these. Still, I'm not to the point. Wow, this is heavy. Look at these. Okay, look at these. I'm sorry. That is heavy. It is packed in here. I'm trying to look. There's lots of there's lots of brood. They're covering the brood, keeping it nice and warm. Look at all these bees. Brood, got nectar, see all the pollen, got all that capped honey at the top. All the resources those little bees need to survive. All right, man, that's good and heavy, and I see honey on the next one. Tell you what is about to happen. These bees are to the point where I think they are about to move up a little bit into that top box better. Very excited. Let me get this one. That's good. All right, I'm gonna take this one. Queen excluder came off, which is fine. I'm gonna put that back on. I'm gonna take this one, Sarah, and we're gonna put this box right back up. Thank you for sending them down, because we don't want any little bees that happen to get in the way to be a victim of me. All right, I want to fix all these back. These are doing good. The bees are doing great. So tickled with them, aren't you? What a good birthday treat for me, anyway. Have you enjoyed checking out the bees on your birthday?
Yes.
Hanging with Dad? Man, what could be better? I know for me. All right, so bees are doing great. All right, that's good. That's good on this one. Okay. See how they're just, once you put that back on and they realize you're not really trying to mess with them, you can get them off of there just a little bit, so you can even move them. If you have your fingers, they'll just move out of the way. Beautiful little bees. Oh my gosh. All right, man, I'm tickled about that. Let's put this one back on here. I know, I'm gonna, he's dark. Look how dark he is. You got a little honey or something on him. All right, bees. Well, I'm not trying to trap you. Get it centered up there. Get it just right like you like it. Let's take this one. That's going to be a little bit tricky because I got to put this feeder back on here and balance that thing so it doesn't fall. I know it was tricky. I was trying to get in here. The last time I didn't have good luck with the feeder. Right there. Okay, I see a couple of bees that may not have made it. All right, let's put this back on. Good job, Sarah. They're doing great. Really excited about our bee numbers. How many bees you think are in there now? A lot.
Yeah.
Right? A lot of bees. They're doing so much better. I think we're in a good position for them to be ready for winter. Come around here and see they're just going in and out of the box nice and easy. They're not worried about anything anymore. I'm gonna try to straighten this box just a touch because I screwed it up when I was, there we go. I don't want to get them turned sideways. Okay, you know what I didn't do? Here, that was a mistake. I didn't put the lid on here. Okay, they're nice and quiet in there now, aren't they? I'm gonna put this top on. Okay, Sarah, help me put the strap on that side. Let's do this. Come up to the top one, all the way around the middle. Turn it up like that. All right, well, I enjoyed that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Wow, bees are doing great. End of September, and I think they're getting ready for winter. Great job. We'll see everybody next time. Subscribe to Sandcastles and Honeybees. Happy birthday, Sarah.